Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Poco phone. Okay, to perform a hard reset on your Poco phone, first press the volume up and power button together. Now tap to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together. Just press and hold it, and when the Poco logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button, and now release. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now you are in Android recovery mode. Use volume key to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Now here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. So guys, this is the method to perform a hard reset on your Poco phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much.